starts November 5th. And I'll be here like tomorrow. They'll put me on top platoon, which is pretty much just chill out, do some tasks around the base while you wait. And yeah, so I'll be there for about a month and getting acclimated to the base.
Where do you sleep?
So first day I get there, I'm supposed to report to housing, and they'll give me housing. I'm in an infantry band, so it's probably gonna be a bunk bed, to be honest with you.
Will they be making your bed
Oh yeah. I'll tell you what, I never slept once in my bed at all during this
From Osborne Platoon Commander.
At the Canadian Forces Leadership and Principal to celebrate the success of this next generation of the Canadian Armed Forces. For all the family and friends here with us or watching us live on our Facebook page, your support throughout their journey has been and will continue to be critical as they progress throughout their careers. Thank you. Graduates, allow me to congratulate you on how far you've come and what you've accomplished.
I was second. We just got a report today. I was second.
Paths, you made an honorable choice to serve Canada before self and to embrace the challenges of military life. Having had the opportunity to speak to instructors and review your results, I am confident that you all have the potential to succeed succeed in your next phases of training and to become the capable, confident, and courageous soldiers, sailors, and aviators that Canada deserves to defend itself. It was 18 years ago that I stood in your shoes on parade here at CFLRS, and I still rely on the lessons that I learned here to guide me through the challenges of both a career in the military, as well as the hardships and trials that life presents to us all. I humbly offer you a few pieces of advice that have been helpful to me over my career. First, never forget that it is an honor to wear our nation's flag on your shoulder. You must always take the time to reflect on how your decisions and actions will affect the reputation and standing of the Canadian Armed Forces, at home and abroad, both positively and negatively. Make sure that when people ask you what you do and who you are, that you are always proud to introduce yourself as a member of the Canadian Armed Forces. Secondly, throughout your experience here, you have learned the importance of teamwork. We all have the privilege of working alongside the best men and women that Canada has to offer. Throughout your career, be a good peer. Look out for your friends and coworkers. Before long, you will also find yourself in positions of leadership entrusted to supervise other young Canadians. I encourage you to embrace the challenge of leadership. Provide your subordinates with firm direction, discipline, and a sense of purpose. Mentor, educate, and develop them. Hold them accountable to both the values of the CAF and of Canada. Finally, expect to encounter frictions and challenges throughout your career. You will have good times and you will have bad times, and you must be prepared for both. Develop your physical, mental, and emotional resilience. Look after yourself and your family. Learn to recognize the signs of stress that goes in yourself and in your peers and in your future subordinates. Keep yourself healthy and practice balance. There will be moments in your military life when you have a no-fail mission, but equally, there will be moments when it is appropriate to look after yourself to ensure you are still fit and healthy for the rest of your career. Now to your instructors. Your professionalism has played an extremely important role in the development of our candidates. Over the weeks, your hard work has contributed greatly to their growth and making them excellent CAF members and future leaders. In 10 or 20 years, they will not remember my name or the name of the school chief, but they will absolutely remember you. Today, in front of you, you see a reflection of your dedication, investment, and embodiment of the values of the Canadian Armed Forces. Loyalty, integrity, courage, excellence, inclusion, and responsibility. In closing, graduates, keep these values close to you and continue to apply them in all your next adventures. Welcome to your new family. Welcome to the professional ranks. Thank you for your service.
So me and him know each other. So